If you're experiencing billing issues on TikTok, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem effectively. This guide will help you navigate through common billing concerns. Step 1. Check your payment method. Ensure that the payment method linked to your TikTok account is valid and has sufficient funds. Verify that your credit or debit card information is up to date and that there are no restrictions on your account. Step 2. Review transaction history. Access your TikTok account settings and review your transaction history. Look for any discrepancies or unauthorized charges that may have occurred. This will help you identify the source of the billing problem. Step 3. Update app and device. Make sure that you are using the latest version of the TikTok app. Check for updates in your device's app store and install them. Sometimes outdated versions can cause billing issues. Step 4. Contact TikTok support. If the problem persists, reach out to TikTok's customer support. You can do this through the app by navigating to your profile, selecting settings, and then report a problem. Provide detailed information about your billing issue for quicker assistance. Step 5. Monitor your account. After resolving the issue, keep an eye on your account for any further billing discrepancies. Regularly check your transaction history and payment methods to ensure everything is functioning correctly. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any billing problems on TikTok. If issues continue, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from TikTok support.